Outline the steps involved in synthesis of steroid hormones. Clinical feature and management of classical congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Classification, etiopathogenesis, and management of hemolytic uremic syndrome. Munchausen syndrome by proxy. Meta-analysis, forest plot graph. Mechanism of action, therapeutic usage, and dosages and adverse effects in children of low molecular weight heparin, magnesium sulfate. Pathophysiology of regulation of plasma osmolality. Diagnosis and management of distal renal tubular acidosis. Hypernatremic dehydration. Hyperosmolar non-ketotic diabetic coma. Diagnosis and management of lead poisoning, kerosene oil ingestion. Neonatal pain. Fetal therapy. Primary and secondary prevention of genetic disorders. What are biochemical criteria for diagnosis of diabetic ketoacidosis? What are the goals of therapy? How will you manage a child with diabetic ketoacidosis? Outline the diagnosis, differential diagnosis and treatment of familial dysautonomia, autonomic neuropathy. How will you classify childhood histiocytosis? Diagnostic criteria, clinical feature and treatment of hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis. Obstructive sleep apnea, diagnosis and management. Clinical feature and management of Hashimoto's thyroiditis. How do you classify and treat lupus nephritis? Enumerate causes and management of adrenal crisis. Management of steroid resistant and steroid dependent nephrotic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome, diagnosis and complications. Etiological classification of neonatal hypoglycemia, clinical feature and management of neonatal hypoglycemia. Management of infantile tremor syndrome. Clinical feature of hypervitaminosis D. Clinical features of hypervitaminosis A. 2-year-old child presents with history of regression of milestone for past 6 months and hepatomegaly. Differential diagnosis and diagnostic approach. Macrophage activation syndrome causes an investigation in a child with stroke. Management of steroid resistant and steroid dependent nephrotic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome, diagnosis and complications. Etiological classification of neonatal hypoglycemia, clinical feature and management of neonatal hypoglycemia. Management of infantile tremor syndrome. 2-year child presents with history of regression of milestone for past 6 months and hepatomegaly. Discuss the differential diagnosis and diagnostic approach. Macrophage activation syndrome. Causes and investigation in a child with stroke. 12-year-old female child presents with short stature and delayed puberty. Enumerate the various possible causes, approach to diagnosis and their management. MDR and XDR tuberculosis, the treatment strategies. AV-NRT, AV nodal reentrant tachycardia. Child with suspected diabetes insipidus is brought to hospital. How will you approach, investigate and manage this patient? Management of post-traumatic stress disorder, Tourette disorder and FUNDAS. Pathophysiology of thrombophilia, outline the management of polycythemia, enumerate the oncologic emergency occurring in leukemia, lymphoma. Define fulminant hepatic failure, stages of hepatic encephalopathy, management of fulminant hepatic failure. Development of diaphragm, trachea and esophagus. Diagrammatically depict various types of tracheoesophageal fistula. Give graphical picture and explanation of elastic volume pressure relationship of lung and chest wall in children. How would you distinguish restrictive versus obstructive lung disease based on PFT?